Hello, EDU 5111. This is Dr. Branch here, and I wanted to show you a little bit about Moodle and where to go and how to get started. You will notice down here that we have week 1, and it has a list of all the activities. We will get to that in a second. You will want to spend your first week up here. Notice right here, this is where we will have our optional Zoom meetings every Wednesday from 6 to 7. Down here, you'll notice that these are the announcements that I will make. This is where you can click on for the syllabus. You might want to take a little time to go through it. In this folder, we have information about your TaskStream account. Here we have the Ask Michelle. So if you have a question that you think would be beneficial for our class, you can click here and ask a question, and I will get back with you quickly. During the first week, you will watch a quick presentation about Why All the Fuss About Writing. We will be focusing a lot on honing your writing skills during this course. In this folder here, Helpful Tools, you will see a link to the Catalog Program Handbook. Now, let's get to week 1. If you notice here the week 1 sequence of study and assignments, this is really important for you to look through. It has the list of assignments and the things that we will do during week 1. Down here is equally as important. It has all of the resource documents that you need to complete some of your assignments. You'll notice that we have our first grammar video. You have the writing process video, writing personal narratives. Down here, you have your directions for your pain presentation, grammar refresher PowerPoint, your individual writing plan that you will complete this week. Here you have your narrative paper assignment and rubric. You also have the narrative writing graphic organizer, which is due this week, the writing process reflection, and the writing your personal narratives PowerPoint. After you've looked through the resource documents, you will be taking an MAED orientation quiz. So you will click here and click that to start the quiz. Down here we have Getting to Know You Flipgrid. So you will come here and click that, and it will take you to the Flipgrid. I don't know if you guys have used that before, but it's one of my favorite things that I have learned this year with online teaching, so I think it's pretty cool. Here we have our first discussion post. So once you get done with the readings this week from Pain and Walls, you will click this, and you will see the prompt here. Make sure that you responded to your classmates. This is where we sort of have our virtual conversation and get to hear each other's thoughts on the readings. And then just click here, add new discussion. And then we have our grammar refresher preposition forum. So you would just click that and it would take you to the forum, like the Paint and Walls forum. On the grammar forums, you do not have to respond to your classmates. However, I always think it's kind of a good idea if you want to go peek at other people's answers. Down here you have the pain presentation. So remember the directions for that are back here in your resource documents. You'll probably be coming back here quite a bit. Again, we have the narrative writing graphic organizer, writing process reflection, and your individual writing plan. And in week 7, we will come back to this to see how well you achieved your goals for this semester. So I hope that this helped you. Some of you may have not taken an online class before. So anyway, I hope this helped.